Oh, wakubwa, nasemaje leo? Today we have an amazing episode. Na tumekuwa tukisema sana mambo ya biashara na pesa. Leo tunataka kutoa a very specific episode to show you how a youth in Kenya is surviving by doing a certain business that maybe some of you may emulate. So we are on a journey. We are headed to a place called Naivasha. You may want to stay tuned and await what is coming. Hello guys, we promised you such an amazing episode this week, and this week we are on the slopes of the Aberdare. Down here we have a lot of activities going on, but today the episode that I want to bring to you is agribusiness kind of episode. With us here we have a big friend here who will introduce himself. We have known him in the city for so many things, but today he rather shows us another side of his life that he has invested a lot. So in this episode, we just want to take a look at what he has been doing and how it has turned out so far, so that you as a youth in Kenya, you may find solace. If you want to invest in this type of business, you might get information, you might get insights that will somehow help you to find something that can cater for your livelihood. So without any further wasting of time, I wish that he introduces himself before we continue with the interview.
Yes, welcome guys. Welcome to our place, Naivasha, somewhere in Naivasha. I'm Frank, like Peter said, I'm his friend. We do a lot together in town. And today I decided to show them the other side of village life. So welcome.
So, sisi tunakujua huko mambo ya IT, mambo ya finance na mambo ya kuishi town. Why agriculture? Why did you decide to venture in agriculture?
I think the main one of the main reasons is our location. Because when it comes to animals, I think it's good that we say it's animals.
Yes.
Yeah. When it comes to animals, one of the biggest challenges is space.
Okay.
But when it comes to our place, I think as you have noted, we have no issue with the grazing land.
Okay.
So
but I'm seeing some encroachments with some owners are trying to invest in farming. Yeah. How does that affect you?
Well, it does, because like you can see all that along that area.
Yes.
All the farms are not fenced. So at the end of the day, you will somehow keep crossing unless you keep to this side.
So tell us about a small history. Where you started, and if at one point you thought maybe you will end up with such a flock as we have seen of about 130 or thereabout. So how many goats did you start with, and what was the main intention of starting it?
The main goal for starting this animals business is for sustainability. Okay. I saw you talk about black tax.
Black tax, yes.
But I think this is my way.
This is how you deal with it.
This is my way of dealing with it. Okay. Where instead of now paying what you people call black tax, now you involve the people in building that resource, so that maybe in a year or maybe 9 months,
yes,
then they can be independent. You can cut off that tax very easily, and then you will be sure that everything is fine.
We are seeing that video. How do you explain that when that beberu is leading the pack? Is it always like that, or?
Yeah, he's the leader.
He's the leader.
It doesn't matter the group that you place him. Even if he was in this second group,
yes,
he will still be the leader.
So he leads the way.
Yeah.
What happens when another comes to challenge him? I see they can even stop when they see him stop.
Yes, he is the king. I think there will be some more if you try to challenge that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's about winning a victory and a place
Yes,
at the table, and then he gets the mating rights and all that.
Yeah, but he's too big to be beaten, so it will be long time before he gets a car.
Yes. So tell us about how many goat or sheep did you start with,
Well,
if you can remember?
I can remember I started with one.
Just one.
I think two. Yeah, I started with two because when I was going to first year,
That was around 2015.
2015, yeah.
Yes.
Around 2015, first year, second semester.
Yes.
They had around eight or so. I think between 6 and 8. I don't remember the specific number.
Yes.
But they sold everything.
For you to go to the university.
Yes. So when I think I've told you this before.
Yes.
When my HELB came,
Yes.
I remember buying two. I was showing Kashu this morning that one of those ships is still there.
The ones that you bought in 2015?
Not 2015, in around 2016 somewhere.
Yes. Okay.
Towards the end of 2016, because you remember HELB ya kwanza?
Yes.
It used to come double, like for the whole year.
Yeah, I remember.
Dispersed
around 35,000.
Yeah, so that is what remained. I think 10.
Okay.
I can remember very clearly. Hiyo mbuzi moja iko kwa hizi. Iko kwa hizi.
Okay.
One of them nyingine ilishazeeka ikaenda.
Okay.
But one of them is still there. Around 2016 ikisha ama 2017. But then I was not serious with it.
Yes.
I was not very serious with it. I was just trying to return zenye ziliuzwa tukienda shule. But then after campus ilikuwa around 23. Around 23. So that is when I decided to get serious into it.
So that is at what point exactly did you see there is a potential here and you can actually invest in this type of business?
Well, I can say that this is the result of failing in other ventures.
Okay.
So I have tried a physical business somewhere in Egerton, and it failed
Terribly. Okay.
So that is why when I decided that if you can invest in what brought you up, in what you know,
yes,
then that can be a good start.
So how has been the progress?
Yeah.
Have you been buying flocks together with the growing organically? How in terms of growth, how can you ascertain that?
I think like you said, it's both. I have bought 2 flocks. I normally go for them in Suso Market.
Okay.
Suso Market from the Masai Land. So normally I go there, and I have gone there twice.
Okay.
I did thrice. I went there and bought around 35.
Okay.
Then I went back again and bought 5. Then the last round I went there and bought 30. And then there is the organic one, like you said, Zana.
So how many do we have currently?
We have 125.
125. And there's still room for growth.
Room for growth is there.
Well,
they will grow.
that is a part of our video. Continue watching. We just want to understand the entire specifics when it comes to goat farming, so that when you have land out there, you can start with 1 or 2, as he says, and then end up with 25. In the next session, we shall be talking about the management challenges and, of course, the money side of it. Keep in touch.